Hello everyone, let us proceed solving grade 8 national exam and model examinations of previous year for the preparation of the upcoming national examination. The first question here, it says which one of the following is true about cube root of 125 is equal to 5. This time when you see the choice, all of the choices are talking about index and radicand. So generally, if we have n is root of radical, whatever the number here, the n which is found here will be the index, and the inner number here we call it radicand. It is just all about naming and definition. So here in our cube root of 125, the index necessarily must be 3. Here it says 3 is radicand, not index it says. So this one doesn't work. What about the radicand? The radicand has to be 125. It's found in B. 125 is the radicand. That is correct. Let's go to the next question. The second question for today, it says when the sum of an integer and 6, sum of integer and 6, let the integer be a here. So the sum of integer and 6 means a plus 6 multiplied by 7. This sum is multiplied by 7 and the result is 63. So equal to 63. Then what is the integer? Our objective is to get the a. Remember how I state the equation. The equation matters. It says when the sum means it's plus. The sum of what? An integer and 6. Let the integer be a. So a plus 6 we said here already. Then multiplied by 7. What is multiplied? The sum. So 7 times the sum is, here it is. And the result is 63 means equal to 63. So now let us change the color of our marker and solve it. Now we have the equation 7 in bracket a plus 6 is equal to 63. So to solve for a, we'll divide both sides by 7 first. Cut the 7 here and a plus 6 left is equal to 9 when you divide. Then the a value will be, when you shift 6 to the other side, 9 minus 6 it's going to be, so a is equal to 3. The answer is found in C. Very good. Let's continue to the next question. Okay, the next question now, here it says, the following pie chart shows the number of teachers in a certain school within 4 departments. There are 4 departments: language, mathematics, natural science, and social science. The degree measure for each are given except the mathematics part. For natural science 75 degree, social science 60 degree, and language 135. We can add them. When you add these 3, you'll get 270. Then you need to subtract from 360 because the total 360. When you subtract, you'll get 90 degree. This is for the mathematics department. 90 degree means just 1/4 of the total. Now, if the total number of teachers is 48, okay, the total number 40. How many teachers or how many mathematics teachers are there? Just 1/4 of 48. Because as I told you here, when you add the other angle and when you subtract from the total, it becomes 90 degree. 90 degree means 1/4 of the total, like from 360. If you divide 90 by 360, it's like 1/4 of the circle. So by 4 1, this by 4 12. So there are 12 teachers in the mathematics department. Very good. Let's continue the next question. Okay, the next question it says, if the measure of the 3 angles of a triangle are 1/3 beta, 2/3 beta, and 2 beta, these are given to us, then what is the measure of the smallest? From this triangle, necessarily which one is the smallest? The smallest is 1/3 of beta. So to get this angle, first we need to get the beta value. To do that, we have to add the 3 angle and equal to 180, because the sum of the 3 interior angle of a triangle is 180. So let's add it. 1/3 beta plus 2/3 beta plus 2 beta is equal to 180. These two are fraction, we can add them because the denominator is the same. So 1 beta plus 2 beta means 3 beta. 3 beta over 3 means, 3/3 beta plus 2 beta we have is equal to 180. Just 1 beta left. 1 beta plus 2 beta will be 3 beta is equal to 180. Then divide by 3 both sides. So the beta value will be 60 degree. But we will not stop here. If you see the choice, there is 60. We need to take care. We are not asked the beta. We are asked the smallest angle. The smallest angle we already agreed it is 1/3 beta. So the answer will be 1/3 of 60. So it's going to be 20 degree. It's found in C. So you need to be focused when you are doing exam questions. Thank you. Let's go to the next one. The next question, it is geometry part. It says, for triangle ABC shown below, two of its interior angle are given to you, 60 degree and theta. Okay, one of the interior angle here it is theta, and the other interior angle is 68. If the exterior angle of this angle at the vertex A at this point, here the exterior angle, it's given to you 130. So what is the value of theta? Remember the rule. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So 130 is equal to theta plus 168, theta plus 68. So to get the theta, we need to reshuffle, bring the 68 here, and it will be subtracted. 130 minus 68. So when you subtract, it's going to be 2, 6. So the answer will be 62, which is found in C. Next. The next question here it says, the height of rectangle is half of its base. The height is half of the base. And again, the question continues. It says, if the base of the triangle is 8, the base 8 means necessarily the height has to be just 4. Because it said the height is half of 8. Divide 8 by 2. It's going to be 4. Then we are asked what is the area of the rectangle. The area of rectangle will be just base times height. Base times height. So it will be 4 times 8, which will be 32. Easier. We have to save time by doing this kind of question as fast as possible. Next. The next question says, the ratio of the area of a circle to its circumference. Okay. Area to circumference. Area to circumference. It's given to you. 4 to 1 means 4 over 1. But we know area of a circle. From this expression or from this equation, we can say area of a circle is pi r square and circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. This is given to you 4 to 1. So you can cancel pi by pi, and 1 r will cancel, and r over to the left side is equal to 4 over 1. So by crisscross multiplication, the value of r will be 8. So what is the radius? It says the radius must be 8 centimeters. So the answer is C. Very good. Let's continue to the next one. The next question here it says, the volume of right circular cylinder is 112 pi centimeter cube. If the radius of its base is 4 centimeters, then what is the length of its altitude? First of all, we need to recall the formula for volume. Volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h, base area times height. Cylinder, it is a 3-dimensional figure. The base is circular. So if we have the base radius r, the height h, the volume will be base area times height. The base area means, since it is a circle, the base pi r square. Therefore, this value is given to you already, 112 pi. You can divide both sides by pi to remove the pi, to cancel the pi. So what left now? R square is equal to 112 left, R square h. R square h is equal to 112. What's given? Again, the base radius is given to you already. 4 square times h is equal to 112. So we can divide by 4 square both sides. 4 square means, it's 16. So the h value will be, we can simplify this one. By 8, this will be 2, this by 8, 1, 4. And 14 over 2 means 7. So the height will be 7 centimeters. The answer is found in D. Let's continue. The next question is square root, cube root from the first unit of grade 8. It says, what is the value of radical 76.74? This time, the table is already given to you. We don't have to calculate anything here. The table is already there. But this table is the square. So when we are asked the square root, we need to think of the backward process. 76.74 will be found from the table. Let us try to search the number 76.74. It's found here, as you see. Therefore, at this point, we need to go horizontally first. We have got 8.7. Then move up. It's going to be 6. So the answer will be 8.76, which is found in B. Next. The next question, it says, which one of the following is the product of negative 5a and 4a minus 3ab. So negative 5a multiply with 4a minus 3ab. So when you multiply, we need to distribute. Negative 5a times 4a will be negative 20a square. And again, negative 5a times negative 3ab will be plus, because negative times negative, plus 15a square b. So this answer is found in the choice A. In the choice A, as you see, we can write this one as 15ab a square b minus 20a square. We can exchange the place because the positive is here and the negative here. We can change the place, doesn't matter. So the answer will be A. Next. The next one is linear equation containing fraction. It says x plus 3 the whole over 3 minus x minus 1 the whole over 2 is equal to 3, and x is an element of rational number. Okay, so x plus 3 the whole over 3 minus x minus 1 the whole over 2 is equal to 3. You need to take care of these minus because common mistake. Students, they are forgetting. So the LCM of 3 and 2, because the denominators here is 3 and 2. So first we have to find the LCM, the least common multiple of 2 and 3. It is just 6. So we'll multiply each of them by 6. Multiply this one by 6. The second expression here also by 6. And the last one out to the right side also. When you multiply by 6, this is going to be 2. So 2 in bracket x plus 3. Here also by 2, 3. Minus 3 in bracket x minus 1 is equal to 18. Then remove the bracket by distributing. 2x plus 6 minus 3x plus 3 here. Negative times negative. You need to take care. Is equal to 18. Then collect the like terms. 2x minus 3x will be negative x, and 6 plus 3 will be plus 9 is equal to 18. Then shift the 9 to the right side. Negative x is equal to 9. So x is negative here. We need to make it positive. We have to multiply both sides by negative. So the x value will be negative 9. So the answer is found in A. Very good. Let's continue to the next question. The next question, it is inequality. It says negative 2 over 3x minus 3 is greater than x minus 1 over 2. And this time our domain is changed. It is the set of integer. So first let's write the inequality. 2 over 3x minus 3 is greater than x minus 1 over 2. The denominators again 3 and 2. So the LCM of 2 and 3, it is again 6. We'll multiply each of them by 6. So when you do that, this must be multiplied by 6. By 6 each of them. Then cut by 3. This will be 2. 2 times negative 2 will be negative 4x. Minus 6 times 3 will be 18 is greater than 6x. Here by 2 will be 3. Then plus 3. Then collect the like terms. Bring the 6x to the left side. Negative 4x minus 6x is greater than 3 plus 18. The 18 goes. Negative 10x is greater than 21. Then divide by negative 10 both sides. Therefore, the negative x, still the negative. When you divide by negative, the negative goes already. So the inequality changed this time because we divide by negative. So it's really less than negative 21 over 10 means negative 2.1. So what are the integers less than negative 2.1? In the number line, if you try to see, if 0 here, negative 1 here, negative 2 here, negative 2.1 means it is a number which is less than negative 2, somewhere around here. If negative 3 here, negative 2.1 is around here. It's not exactly at negative 2. So we need to consider those integers which are less than negative 2.1, means starting from negative 3. So our solution set will be every integer but starting from negative 3. So the answer must be okay. Yeah, the answer is not there because we made a mistake here at this point. It must be minus here because here it is minus. So we have to make this one minus. When you make it minus, so this will be minus and this will be plus. Negative 3 plus 18 will be 15. This will be 15. So here what we have got, it will be changed, negative 1.5. So what are the integers less than negative 1.5? We need to start from negative 2. So here it is from negative 2, the answer is found in B. So we have to take care of this kind of silly mistakes. So this kind of silly mistakes can be done by anybody. So we need to take care and we have to be focused. Thank you. Let's go to the next question. The next question, it's about equation of line. It says, what is the equation of a line whose slope is negative 1 over 3 and it passes through the point negative 1, 1. The point, you can take it as x1, y1. And this slope, we can represent it by m. And equation of line, generally, if we have a point and a line, we can write it as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We can write in this form. Then y minus, the y1 is negative 1 over, so it will be plus 1 is equal to, the m is 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3 in bracket, x plus 1 again, because negative, negative. Therefore, we will multiply each of them by 3. This one by 3, and this has to be multiplied by 3. The reason to remove the 3 here. So what do we have? 3y plus 3 is equal to, negative x is here. I have to multiply minus x minus 1. Then collect to the left side all, and make the x at the first one. So x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, because this x comes and it's written at first, and 3y remains as it is, and this negative 1 comes and added with 3. It will be 4. So these are order in the choice. First x families, then the y families, then the constant comes. So which one is the answer? The answer will be C. Very good. So this is enough for today. I will continue with the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me. Thank you for watching.